गम गणपतिये नमः। श्री सरस्वती नमः। ओम राघवेंद्राय नमः। नमस्ते to all. I am Janardhan Kulkarni, astrologer. Welcome to my Jyotishi channel. COVID-19, coronavirus disease. I am predicting about this, why it's born and when it's end, on the basis of astrological angle in 10 steps, one by one. 5th November 2019, Jupiter enters to Sagittarius. When Jupiter enters to Sagittarius, Saturn and Ketu both are posited there. Sagittarius is the own and Moola Trikona sign of Jupiter. What usually think, Jupiter gives good result in this house. But what happened? Jupiter eclipsed by Saturn and Ketu. He become inauspicious and not able to give good result. It is the house of Kalapurusha's Bhagyasthana also, affected to individual and countries also, causes to financial crisis, loss in banking sectors, no liquidity of money. Meanwhile, Rahu placing in own star Aridra in Gemini sign. Gemini is the third and courage house of Kalapurusha. He aspected from this conjunction Saturn, Ketu and Jupiter and wanted to show his evil work. Second one, 16th December 2019 to 14th January 2020. Sun enters to Sagittarius. He is also become afflicted, and there is a big conjunction of 6 planets on 25th, 26th and 27th of December 2019. Again 5 planets conjunction till January 14 made a house eclipsed, and this bad conjunction aspect made a Rahu very cruel. Rahu, inspired by that strong conjunction aspect, and start to evil effect producing by deadly virus. He started his work on January 8th in Wuhan, China. Afterwards, other parts of the China, day by day spreading to other countries also. Third, January 24th, 2020, Saturn enters to Capricorn. Capricorn is the own house of Saturn, and it is the Kalapurusha's Karmasthana. What Saturn usually do, he is going to punish people based on their karmas. Rahu is placing 6th from Saturn. 6th house is the house of disease. Saturn is the Karaka for people also. Then Rahu started his dragon work to make the disease affected work of virus producing. The disease called actually to away from man to man or to maintain the social distance. March 22, 2020, Mars entered to Capricorn. Capricorn is the exaltation sign of Mars. Note the point here. Same day our PM Mr. Modi called for Janata curfew. After 2 days, lockdown also announced. Mars means power of police and army. If you see our PM Mr. Modi's birth chart, ascendant and moon sign both are same Scorpio. Now Mars is in 3rd from Scorpio. It is the house of courage and valor. Now whatever he says, it is coming to rule. To enlightening torch or Deepa also, most of the countries followed. Last week our army destroyed Pakistan terrorists and killed army also who wanted to enter into our border. 5th one, March 20, 2020, Jupiter enters to Capricorn. COVID-19 spreading to go fast. State and central governments put lot of effort to treat and control corona patients. Lot of problems has to face and to control lockdown order. There is a conjunction of 3 planets. One is karma, and second one is power, and third one is dharma. For example, Tablighi people joined to spread out the corona fast. 6th one, April 13, 2020, Sun enters into Aries. Aries is the exaltation sign of Sun. Government took whatever has to be done to control and handle the situation. Again, lockdown will be extended. The research of medicine the whatever countries taking down, they may get success because of Sun is in Ashwini Nakshatra. Corona spreading fast because Rahu is in third from Sun. And here also doubt from Rohingyas. Politicians, doctors are very active in this moment. The agriculture works started as usual. May 4, 2020, Mars enters to Aquarius. Again, note down here. Lockdown period will be withdrawn. Police power will be coming down. People may get free. 8/1, May 2020, 2020. That is the good day for entire world. Why? Rahu enters to Mrugashira Nakshatra. Mrugashira is the nakshatra of Mars. The dragon will be getting diluted. This effect will be reduced day by day, and the activities will be coming down. He will be controlled by Mars now. Number 9, June 30, 2020, Jupiter returns to Sagittarius. Still Ketu will be there. Again he is going to eclipse, and this conjunction effect will be focused to Rahu also. Again he is going to start his evil effect. Government has to face lot of problems in this moment. Financial development, social works to take care, industrial sectors and ITBT companies, small scale industries, labor, business people, self-employment people, agriculture, etc. Number 10, September 23, 2020, Rahu and Ketu move to Taurus and Scorpio. Rahu will stop his violence activities. This is the end of corona. Jupiter will become free to give auspicious result. All political, economical, social, industrial, business works will be started. People will get peace. This is the end of corona. In this period, to come out from this evil effect, please chant one of these mantras. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, or Ugram Veeram Mahavishnum Jwalantam Sarvatomukham Nrasivam Bhishanam Bhadram Mrutyum Namamyaham. My humble request to all, please follow the lockdown order, follow our PM Mr. Modi's Sapta Sutras, and support to police, doctor, nurses who are working really hard. If you liked this, please press the like button and share to somebody, subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you. Namaste. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.